If you're looking for the best free AI image generator out there, this video is for you because Google has it. In this video, I'll show you what Google's new ImageFX tool can do, new ways you can use it, how to access it, and I'll tell you about this incredible secret I stumbled on when making this video that makes this better than pretty much any other AI paid tool program that I've seen out there for image generation. So let's start fresh and super simple with something that anyone can do. I'll just drop the prompt in here, and it's a cute golden retriever puppy playing in autumn leaves, soft lighting, and autumn colors. That's pretty awesome, right? Well, maybe you're thinking about starting a business and need a logo. Okay, there we go. There's a free logo in seconds. Okay, so let's take it up another level. Maybe you're thinking about writing a book and you need images or a cover design. Imagine never running out of unique content images. Now, for all you content creators out there, YouTubers and bloggers, I got something even better for you. If you're thinking you need it in a different size, right? Not this long format, no problem. Bottom left-hand corner, you can change it to square, portrait, landscape, whatever you need. Now, are you ready to see my favorite prompt? Let's do it. We're gonna go with a crystalline phoenix risen from diamond flames, hyper-realistic 8K photography, volumetric lighting, particle effects, ultra detailed. Are you kidding me? Come on, that's amazing. What's really cool about this is you can save the image, you can download it, but there's also that secret that I told you about in the beginning of the video. What I was doing is I was clicking around, I clicked on something, and I had the ability to edit, meaning I could click anywhere on the image, highlight it, and tell Google exactly what I wanted to change about it, just like Adobe Firefly, but for free. Now here's the proof that this is actually a thing. In the bottom left-hand corner, there's this edit history button that says hover over an image and make edits to see edit histories. It's coming. This was easily the best free AI image generator out there that I could find. And so I dropped the link to ImageFX in the description for you. There's no waitlist, which means you can jump in now and start designing.